For sliding doors and windows, use a long 4mm Allen key to reach the rollers on either side of the sash. These can be raised or lowered on either side to ensure that the sash sits evenly in the frame. For outward opening windows, use a 4mm Allen key to adjust the camber of the locking bolts. This will make the seal either tighter or looser and result in the window being harder or easier to lock. For inward opening doors and windows, use a 4mm Allen key to raise or lower the sash on the bottom hinge. Open the sash and you can use the bottom hinge to move the sash further away or closer to the frame. You can pinch or loosen the top hinge, moving the sash closer or further away from the frame. This will also result in the window raising or lowering. Always check the function of the windows before you're done. Using a Torx 15 screwdriver or key, you can adjust the camber of the locking bolts. This will make the seal tighter or looser and also result in the window being harder or easier to lock.